Meet Hector, a remote cousin of Mythbusters' Buster, the crash test dummy. Hector assists in training for shooting club members, police and military forces. This dummy's crafted from unique materials that prevent ricochets, making it safe for indoor use. Hector is also ideal for outdoor training, as it can reach speeds of up to 32 km per hour. For training purposes, you can use 7.62mm caliber rounds, among others. Shots are detected in real time with 360-degree coverage and instantly appear on the app, which is also accessible on smartphones. Training scenarios can be customized and varied by organizers. For instance, you can specify the number of shots needed to kill Hector. Imagine a drone capsule that weighs just 2.8 kilograms and can strike a target within a 5-kilometer radius. This is what the creators behind the Viper 300 achieved, setting a new benchmark for UAV combat. Besides its remarkable range, the drone features AI algorithms. These enable the Viper 300 to analyze numerous scenarios in real time, like targeting, and choose the best one. Its speed of 27 meters per second is also quite impressive. In addition, the team has designed blocks containing multiple capsules. These blocks can be mounted on armored vehicles to release the drones either individually or in swarms. Landmines are becoming increasingly advanced, and the XM204 serves as a great example. The US military found this development so intriguing that they ultimately signed a purchase agreement. Believe it or not, just one container holding 4 mines can safeguard an area equivalent to an American football field. The XM204 identifies vehicles from a kilometer away by gathering data from 3 sensors. An integrated computer then assesses if the detected targets can be struck. If so, the XM204 holds off until the vehicles are within a 50-meter range. Only then does it deploy the mines. The loaded container weighs just 38 kilograms, so it can be moved by 2 soldiers. And unlike many other mines, there's no need to bury them. Nevesta S is a thermal imaging clip-on sight designed to enhance target observation, recognition, and engagement, even at long distances. One of its main advantages is its cutting-edge technology. Nevesta S activates in just 3 seconds and operates in automatic mode, eliminating the need for manual setting adjustments when observation conditions change. Additionally, the image can be displayed on an external device, and a remote control can be connected if necessary. Nevesta S is mounted on a Picatinny rail and functions within a temperature range of 50 to minus 30 degrees Celsius. The creators of the Mortar Weapon System 120 claim that it's a dependable companion under any circumstances. Indeed, having a 120mm manual muzzle-loaded mortar at your disposal is sure to boost your confidence, especially when it features a dual recoil damping system and automatic compensation for the platform's roll and pitch with a plus or minus 20-degree range. The Bullseye graphical interface simplifies control and is reminiscent of a video game. Press one button to aim the mortar at your target, and another for automatic aim correction between shots. Speaking of shots, the rate of fire can reach up to 20 shots per minute. Noteworthy features include the barrel's quick disassembly, taking only 60 seconds. This ease of disassembly also allows for simple conversion between smoothbore and rifle configurations. In just 2 years, the global military drone market is projected to reach $18.9 billion. We can't even imagine the number of units that represents, which is why systems designed to counter this aerial threat are more crucial than ever. For instance, the Jarmol system was developed for the Turkish Gendarmerie. This semi-autonomous system only fires when commanded by an operator and is mounted on the Kirpi APC. Equipped with a 5 kilowatt laser unit, Jarmol can escort and neutralize drones within a 2-kilometer range. It also detects and disarms other types of airborne threats up to 5 kilometers away. You might remember a film called Cube, but this is a whole different story. The Cube is actually a Danish sea mine laying system, known for its exceptional versatility. Regardless of whether it's a civilian or military vessel, this system consistently performs well. In fact, using the Cube, you can establish coastal mine protection, even without specialized ships, as it's suitable for both internal and open-deck installation with stern access. Moreover, the Cube is compatible with all recognized mine brands and operates in 3 modes: manual, semi-automatic, or fully automatic. Last year, Rockus made its debut at the Spanish defense exhibition FINDEF, where some reviews hailed it as a significant advancement in the intricate process of road demining. And there's certainly a lot to appreciate about this robot. Its most notable feature is a versatile arm equipped with a range of tools, extending up to 4 meters. This arm not only cuts wires and unscrews fasteners, but also moves and lifts objects. Depending on the mission's needs, Rockus can be outfitted with various modules, such as GPR, and configuration changes typically take no more than 2 hours. The robot's also fairly quick, reaching speeds of up to 20 km per hour, and a full tank of diesel fuel provides 10 hours of operation. The Ajban LRSOV is an open 4x4 vehicle perfectly suited for reconnaissance missions. It's so lightweight that it can be transported under a helicopter's fuselage, and so fast that it reaches speeds of up to 100 km per hour. Thanks to its 296 horsepower engine and its 6-speed automatic transmission, it can confidently climb areas with a 60% slope. Its open design doesn't hinder its ability to cross water obstacles up to a meter deep either. The crew consists of 4 members, and despite its small size, the vehicle boasts a range of 700 kilometers. Its modular design allows for the installation of weapons and equipment tailored to specific tasks. The RF Hunter system has been unjustly overlooked in many military technology publications. However, its Cypriot creators showcased it at Eurosatory, one of the largest defense exhibitions. The idea behind RF Hunter is both simple and ingenious. This system can detect not only drones, but also their operators. Weighing just 7 kilograms, it's designed for both transportation in a backpack and installation on a vehicle. A single person can operate the RF Hunter, detecting up to 2,048 radio sources in real time. Geolocation information is displayed on a tablet as an interactive map. And with some modifications, the RF Hunter can also perform electronic warfare tasks. Zodiac Mill Pro is a globally recognized leader in the creation of inflatable and RIB boats for medical professionals, lifeguards, and military personnel. A standard FC470 model can carry up to 10 people and travel at speeds reaching 41 km per hour. The FC470's best feature is its packaging, designed for simple airdropping into water, even without a parachute at low altitudes. The boat can also be concealed in a special underwater hiding spot, making it highly valuable during night operations. It's no surprise that some publications consider the FC series the top choice for Marine Special Forces. Northrop Grumman engineers are currently developing a new category of unmanned underwater vehicle, with one of the first models being the Manta Ray, still in its prototype phase. As it's still under development, there's limited information available. However, it's anticipated that the Manta Ray will be designed for lengthy and intricate missions, such as autonomous mine deployment. Between missions, the drone will descend to the ocean floor and enter hibernation mode to conserve energy. The Manta Ray's modular design allows it to fit into 5 standard shipping containers. This tank may look unusual, but it's sure to spark more than a dozen comments from armored vehicle experts. Back in the 1930s, Germany built this unique tank called the Kugelpanzer, which literally translates to ball tank. Remarkably, it still exists today and can be found in the Armored Museum in Kubinka, Russia. Despite its 25 horsepower engine, the tank could only reach a modest speed of 8 km per hour and carry 1 person. The Kugelpanzer's purpose remains a topic of debate, with one theory suggesting it was a mobile fire adjustment post. Interestingly, the USSR also explored ball-shaped tanks, such as Boris Mikov's design featured in the World of Tanks game, and Nikolai Vostretsov's more powerful object sphere, which was supposed to reach speeds of up to 60 km per hour, travel underwater, and suppress enemies with its 55-ton weight and 2 122mm caliber guns. The design was so impressive that Chinese craftsmen once built a moving model using over 10,000 parts. The US military once required a lightweight, self-propelled howitzer that could be easily transported by aircraft. After some deliberation, engineers came up with, no, not with what's in the picture, but something even better. The M110, with its unassuming name, entered production in 1962 and remains in service in countries like Greece and Iran, among others. Why not? After all, it's one of the most powerful howitzers of the 20th century, with its 203.2mm caliber still impressing today. Its range of 24 kilometers and speed of 55 kilometers per hour allowed the M110 to be used in various conflicts, from the Vietnam War to the Persian Gulf War. Rheinmetall HX trucks made their debut in 2003 and were so successful that the British Armed Forces placed the first order. It's easy to see why, considering these vehicles can traverse a 40% side slope and cross fords up to 1.5 meters deep. Today, an even more advanced model, the HX3, is available. Each improvement is truly impressive. For instance, engineers have enhanced cab protection while also improving visibility. An optional new active suspension system on the rear axles increases off-road maneuverability. One soldier can unload the truck without leaving the cab, and remote control is an option too. Mechanics are particularly pleased because all models from 4x4 to 10x10 use the same spare parts. Military protective suits are also continuously evolving. The Avon Protection Exoskin S1 may look simple, but it provides 24-hour protection against chemical and biological threats, including vapors, liquids, and solids. It also works well with other protective gear, offering radiation protection. The suit is 30% lighter than similar models. While the second suit might not seem as impressive, it's still valuable because it helps the wearer blend into their surroundings. There are options for forests, snowy areas, and deserts, with weapon camouflage included. Drawstrings allow for adjustments to fit the wearer's body and equipment. This shield from Lubawa SA is an excellent fit for our selection today, as it's designed to protect vehicles from high-explosive anti-tank grenades. Its design is fairly simple, consisting of strings attached to a composite or aluminium frame and stretched to form a net. Surprisingly, the creators have applied for a patent. They also mention that their invention is incredibly lightweight, at only 4.75 kilograms per square meter. The shield's modular design allows for easy replacement and repair of damaged parts. Shipbuilders continue to impress us with their innovative designs, and it's quite possible that such vessels will soon safeguard water areas all over the world. For now, let's take a look at the Project 03160 Raptor patrol boats. These boats are an excellent choice for coastal operations, as their capabilities extend beyond patrolling. If needed, they can transport a landing group of 20 individuals and assist in search missions. The Raptor boasts an impressive speed, reaching up to 89 km per hour, and is equipped with 14.5mm and 7.62mm machine guns. Additionally, it offers a range of 480 kilometers. Enhanced surveillance and reconnaissance equipment is essential to effectively address emerging threats. Take the Spectro XR, for example. This multispectral electro-optical system is incredibly adaptable, making it suitable for airborne, maritime, and ground platforms. It's so effective that it disregards fog, high humidity, haze, and other interferences. Using AI technology, the system effortlessly detects both moving and stationary objects and identifies them. It can even track up to 5 targets simultaneously. Operators also have access to advanced features like image fusion and an AI analytics suite. Impressive, right? An unnamed Asia-Pacific country certainly thinks so, as they ordered $80 million worth of these systems in 2021. Affordable and user-friendly drones are highly beneficial for various tasks, from watering crops to rescue missions. However, criminals also use them for illegal activities. For instance, in 2019, Heathrow Airport ceased operations due to an unidentified drone. MC2 Technologies presents the Nerod RF as a solution to this escalating threat. It takes just 30 seconds to prepare for firing, and the impact is visible within 5 seconds. The drone receives a strong dose of radio jamming signals, obstructing the operator's commands. Depending on the settings, it either lands or returns to the takeoff point. For optimal results, the Nerod RF can simultaneously target 7 frequency ranges. It's no surprise that this gun is employed by the French armed forces, among others.